Hey guys, welcome back to Sky Talks Trading. My name is Sky and I am on a quest to invest. And today's video is all about Lucid Motors, LCID stock. I'm not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. Now let's talk about Lucid Motors. First off, I want to draw your attention to this Mashable article. The headline is, I drove the Lucid Air. It's the future of cars. Test driving the $169... That would be a real good bargain. $169,000 Lucid Air provided a deeper look at this Tesla beating electric vehicle. Really great article, very bullish. There's this one quote that stuck out. The line's precision and care with multiple redundant quality control tests from battery pack assembly to squeak and rattle track seemed like a middle finger to Musk, whose Tesla production process is famously haphazard, corner-cutting, and full of grueling shifts that spill out of the factory and into temporary tents. So when it comes to production targets, Lucid Motors believes it is well on track to meet its production targets by 2023 after starting series production of its Air electric sedan. The company wants to raise further capital for the planned SUV model despite its recent IPO. The CEO, Peter Rawlinson, he recently told Reuters that 577 units of the Lucid Air will be built in the remainder of 2021. Volume production has been going on since the end of September. And then production will ramp up to 20,000 and 50,000 vehicles in 2022 and 2023, respectively. Other electric vehicle startups have developed promising vehicles in the past, but what they fail to do is to make that all-important leap into mass production. And that's where Lucid really is winning. So they're California based and they have built their own plant in the US state of Arizona. Rawlinson also said that Tesla's 4680 series battery cells are overrated and spoke of an undue fascination with cells from LG Chem. The Lucid Air achieves an EPA range of up to 837 kilometers. So Rawlinson sees more potential in his approach for the near future. And this is what he said. People are thinking that 4,680 is this huge leap that is going to transform the electric car. I don't see that one. I think that is the fantasy. And so Lucid are planning to investigate other battery formats in due course. And, it's worth noting that he is a former Tesla developer. And him and Elon Musk, they do regularly have these sort of very public spats via the media. But they do agree on one thing, and that is that the current semiconductor crisis should be over within the next 12 months. But Rawlinson also indicated that the company has redesigned a circuit board to avoid problems that could affect the delivery of a chip in the medium term. They're basically undertaking risk mitigations. So they're covering all their bases. Also, if you look at some of the SEC filings, you see that they have a very good employee benefit plan. Lucid Motors has introduced and passed a new Lucid Group 2021 stock incentive plan for their employees. This plan authorized the offering of $23.79 million to their employees, but at a maximum cost basis of $22.71, representing a discount of 7% off the current market prices. As well as that, they have amended previous Ativia stock incentive plans that offer up another 66.55 million shares at a weighted average share price of $1.08 share, representing a weighted average discount of 96%. So I think that when you take into account all of these shares, both new and old plans purchased by employees, it could have a total dilutionary effect of 5.55%. And this plan can help Lucid to retain their current talent and be a top competitor to bring in new talent. Being able to have the top talent is a factor that will help Lucid in the long run and help them to gain an advantage over their competitors. And also, there's some filings related to production. On September 28th, 2021, Lucid filed an 8K form that stated they started the production of their flagship vehicle, the Lucid Air, at the AMP1 factory in Arizona. They also stated that customer deliveries will begin in late October, with over 13,000 reservations that need to be tended to. I think this is just the first of many positive press releases that are soon to come. And in recent news, there was an EPA report. So on September 15th, the EPA, which stands for Environmental Protection Agency, concluded their testing of the Lucid Air, the Dream Edition. This report stated that the EPA has rated the Lucid Air has a range of 520 miles, making it the longest range electric vehicle ever rated by the EPA. And, that is huge news for Lucid because it really solidifies their place in the EV market. And at such an early stage in their business, it really is quite incredible. And this rating is a milestone for EV innovation in general. And it shows that Lucid is already capable of creating industry-leading technology in-house. And then there's some Lucid Gravity progress. Lucid has recently announced that their Project Gravity is on track to release in 2023. So the Lucid Gravity is going to be their second production vehicle, and it's going to be a crossover with a range of 400 plus miles. The fact that they have stated that they are on track for the production of this vehicle is definitely bullish news, considering the fact that they were a couple of months behind on the release of their Lucid Air. So guys, as you may have guessed, I am still very bullish on Lucid Motors, and I will continue to update you guys on any news that comes out. Thank you so much for listening, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day, guys.